Hey guys, hope everyone is well. It's Tom here, and today I'm excited to review Atlas's newest release of their GP38-2 locomotives. As you can see here, I have the New Hampshire North Coast version in front of us. It's gold, it comes with lock sound, and I've already tested on the layout, and it is fantastic. It sounds amazing. But some quick pricing points right here. The MSRP price on Atlas's website for the gold edition is $244.95. For silver, it's $159.95 without sound, without the decoder. I recommend looking at several different websites first. Train World has them at $169.99, whereas Model Train Stuff has it for $1 more for the gold edition, $170.99. But I want to point out here, if you do buy these models, a couple times a year, they run about $150 to $200. Make sure you're looking for the best deal. Atlas, I believe, released 8 of these locomotives in different paint schemes. I'll show you the page I made here of the pictures. Reading and Northern, the GMTX scheme, Kansas City Southern, Norfolk Southern, Rock Island, Chicago South Shore, and of course the New England schemes, the New Hampshire North Coast, and Providence and Worcester. New Hampshire North Coast has 2 locomotives, and I think they came out with 2 other roads, the 2008, 2006, I believe, for Providence and Worcester. This train, a lot of people in the area refer to as Dobo, or I should say what it operates as between Dover, New Hampshire and Boston under Pan Am. Lovely green. Alright, so try not to break any parts off here. As you can see, one screw, the second screw here. I took a Phillips head, and what I do is I hold the top. Even though I might get some fingerprints on it, it's better than just trying to do this at an angle without holding it, because it's going to fall out either way you do this. Just unscrew the first screw here. Should be enough, so I'm going to pull up it again. There we go, there's one of them falling down. I'm going to pinch here and pull up. Wow. Excuse my hands here, I'm going to try to showcase off the locomotive a little bit. See if you can see the engineer here. Might be kind of hard with the camera. But he's looking back, nice blue shirt. And very detailed for the engineer here, as well as the conductor for the figures. So that's neat. Yeah, very nice paint job here. The only thing I'd kind of wish Atlas trains added was ditch lights, even if they were inoperable. If they were operable, that would have been great. I would have paid probably another $60 or $70 just to have this model be equipped with ditch lights. I think it would have added a lot more realism. So, it's a great model, and I already ordered the 38-25, so we can have them as a pair on the Dobo train. And yeah, let's get this unit running, and we'll see how it sounds and operates. So here we go. Alright, so originally this video was close to 15 minutes in length, and I decided that I wanted to cut it down to almost half to save the audience the trouble of listening to all my rambling about this model. The main things I want to take away here is that I think Atlas should have added ditch lights. I would have paid a little bit more to have them actually install them and operate. I think that would have been incredible if these locomotives would have probably made them a lot more realistic. But they sound great, they look great. It's a New England paint scheme we're probably not going to see again for many, many years. I don't think any other company besides Atlas will even make them, to be honest. So I'm very thankful Atlas considered to actually do this model. And I already ordered the 38-25 as well, so I'll have the pair of the New Hampshire and North Coast locomotives. And yeah, you know, if you guys want to pick up a couple, they're great and they're affordable too. I definitely think they're going to go fast and start disappearing off shelves pretty soon. So make sure you pick one up. And if you guys have any opinions on the model, how it sounds, how it operates, I know I didn't do a full in-depth review here, but please, you know, drop a comment. Let me know what you think, and like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video. And thanks for watching.